Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of May 2025 for all the Scorpio Ascendant people. So, first of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Scorpio Ascendant people, Sun controls your 10th house, and right now, Sun is transiting from your 6th house in the sign of Aries. So, Sun is right now present in exalted position because Aries sign considered as the exalted sign for Sun. 10th house will be your work related matter, your career, your authority, your workplace, work environment, how good you are in your work, how far you can go into your career, how much authority you will have, how much fame you will have, etc. So right now your 10th house lord is right now starting from your 6th house. One thing is very important to mention here is that 6th, 2nd, and 10th house always connected to your work and your earnings related matter because this triangle is considered as your work triangle from which your earnings come from. So one earning house lord is proving another earning house lord. So this will prove a great position for your earnings related matter and your work related matter. You will have great result regarding your court case litigation arguments related matter because sixth house can deal with such matters. And right now your sixth house is in a strong position. Your enemies also feel very strong during this time period, so try to avoid conflict. If you're dealing with court cases, litigation, or some competitive thing, then we can expect you will have great result. You will have victory over your enemies. But if you're dealing with your enemies right now, so you need to avoid conflict with your enemies. Try to take care of your health related matter as well. Sun will move from your sixth house to your seventh house around 15th May 2025. So when Sun will move from your sixth house to seventh house, from seventh house Sun will aspect to your first house. If you're married right now, then you need to avoid conflict with your spouse after 15th May because Sun somehow represent ego head. So in seventh house Sun will create such you may face some argumentative ego battles with your spouse. So try to avoid these circumstances with your spouse. Mercury controls your 11th house and your 8th house, and right now Mercury is transiting from your 5th house in the sign of Pisces. There are a lot of planets are right now present in your 5th house, like Saturn, Mercury, Rahu, Venus. Mercury will change two signs in the month of May. Mercury will move from your 5th house to 6th house around 6th May 2025, and from your 6th house to 7th house around 24th May 2025. But major portion of this prediction, Mercury will be staying to your 6th house in the sign of Aries. Your 11th house deal with your friend circle, professional circle, your gains, incoming gains are seen from 11th house, your support system, your PR, your sources, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes, etc. 8th house will be the sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life are seen from 8th house, your secretive activities, your sexual organ, sexual activity, etc. So when your 11th house and so when your 11th house and 8th house lord will be turning from 6th house, we can expect you will get great result, but after 19th of May regarding your court case litigation arguments related matter, if you are facing such matter into your life, if you are not facing such matter, then we can expect you need to be take care of your health related matter due to presence of Mercury and Sun, both the planets into your sixth house. Into your sixth house, as we discussed previously, sixth house will be your health issues, especially your acute health issues. One thing is very important to mention in the section of Mercury is that Ketu is right now transiting in the sign of Mercury from previous last 18th month. But in the month of May, Ketu is about to move from your 11th house to 10th house around 19th May 2025. You will feel a major difference in the result of Mercury after Ketu will move from the sign of Mercury to your 10th house. So after 19th May, we can expect you will have great strength. You will be focusing on your health related matter regarding your gains related matter. You will be try to slowly, but you will have friend circle. You will try to patch up with your friend circle because when Ketu was traveling from your 11th house, Ketu tried to detach you from your friend circle. But now after 19th May, you will again try to catch up with your friends and professional circle. So you will face a major difference in the so you will face major good difference in the result of Mercury when Ketu will move from the sign of Mercury after 19th May. Venus controls your 12th house and your 7th house, and right now Venus is as well transiting from your 5th house in the sign of Pisces. Venus will stay into your 5th house till the whole month of May. So Venus is right now present in its good position. 12th house deal with expenses, your losses, your isolations, your long-term investment, your donations, your traveling, space, dreams, sleep pattern. All of these things are represented by 12th house. Spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house. 7th house deal with your marriage, your legal binding, agreement things, business partnership, relationships in journal, etc. Your fame is somehow also represented by 7th house along with 10th house. So your 12th house and 7th house lord will be in its strong position, in its exalted position. If you are single, if you're single in life and you have any sincere love relationship, then you will definitely get a chance to convert your love relationship into marriage right now, because seventh house of marriage lord is right now turning from your fifth house, and Jupiter is already present to your seventh house till 15th May 2025. Because after 15th May, Jupiter will as well transiting from your seventh house to your eighth house. The 12th house lord will be transiting from your fifth house. If you are older in age, you are married right now, you have children, then you may try to send your children for your for up. You may try to send your children for education purpose to some different foreign country, so we can expect good result regarding all of these matter. Your children will be flourish in their life, regarding their education life, regarding all the matters in their life, due to presence of a strong fifth house into your chart. Moon controls your eighth house, and right now moon controls your ninth house, and right now moon is present into your eighth house in the sign of Gemini. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 1st May 2025, because moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in a single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy, and it will be very difficult for us to describe the result of moon in a single video for every house. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your monthly transit chart. So first of all, whenever moon is transiting near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days you can expect you may have some type of issues, problem and difficulties into your life, because these house considered as the naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these houses, and moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily, either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is transiting near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So during these days also you may have some type of issues, problem and difficulties into your life. So that's the easiest way to judge moon transits in everyone's transit chart. Mars controls your first house and your sixth house. Means Mars is very important planet for you people, because Mars is your ascendant lord, and right now Mars is transiting from your ninth house, but in its debilitation sign. Means Mars is present in its weak state right now. First house will be you, your personality, your overall aspects of life are seen from first house. Your general health, your mental perception, your thinking pattern, all of these things are represented by first house. So your first house lord is right now present into your ninth house, but in its weak state. And ninth house will be the father, your father figure, teacher, mentor, guider, advisor, your religious matter, religious inclination, your long distance travel, your religious matter, religious inclination, your long distance travel, your luck related matter, your higher education, post grad education, etc. You, if you are older in age, like you're above 50 or around 50, you need to be take care of your health related matter in the month of May. Try to book your checkups before the month of May. You may have to go to doctor in the month. You may have to face some type of health issues in the month of May if you are older in age, due to presence of your ascendant lord in his weak position. Your sixth house lord is present in his weak state. You will have great result, as we discussed previously, regarding your sixth house related matter, like your court case, litigation, argument, fight, enemies related matter. But still, you need to be very careful regarding your health related matter, and you will still have to face some type of humiliation regarding your teachers, mentor, guider, advisor related matter. Like if you're in education life, you may face some type of humiliation. You may face some disturbing result from your superior and teachers in the month of May. So try to avoid as much as you can communication with your teacher, mentor, guider, advisor in the month of May. If you want to travel somewhere for religious purpose, or some pilgrimages, or some visiting some religious places, then try to postpone the date of your travel till Mars come out from your ninth or from its debilitation sign. If you are in education life, like you are doing some postgrad education, then as we discussed previously, you need to avoid as much as you can communication with your superior bosses or elders in the month of May. So we can expect these results for all the Scorpio ascendant people. Our today's video monthly prediction of May 25 for all the Scorpio ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video, and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.